I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Klarna app is pretty straightforward. Follow these steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your smartphone. Make sure you reload into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once you're in the app, find the payment method section. This is usually located in your account settings or under your profile. Step 3. Select Add Credit Card. In the payment methods section, look for an option that says Add Credit Card. Tap on it to begin the process. Step 4. Enter your card details. Fill in the required information such as card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as entering incorrect details can lead to errors. Step 5. Save and confirm. After entering your details, tap the Save or Confirm button to add your card. You should receive a confirmation message once it's successfully added. If you encounter any issues, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as outdated apps can sometimes cause problems. Hope this helps you add your credit card smoothly.